So the second most important thing is the spinal care workshop that we do. So we do this in the waiting room. We actually provide dinner for you because we've noticed that people don't come because they want to eat around that time. Now we've left the excuses off the table, and this is not only for you as a patient to know what to do and more importantly what not to do outside of the office, but it's really a class for your family and friends as well. It lasts about 50 minutes and we're going to cover pretty much everything. Most people understand how to take care of their teeth. They floss, they brush, and you only brush the teeth that you want to keep, they say. You're right. However, your spine is just as important as your teeth. I think we forget about it because we see our teeth when we get ready in the morning, but we don't see our spine unless your chiropractor or your doctor shows you your spine on x-ray. So something that we kind of take for granted and we don't take care of. This class is teaching you the brushing and flossing of your spine and what stuff to do, and more importantly, what stuff not to do outside of the office so you get the best results in your corrective care program.